What's up, guys? We're out here in the Sabine River today. I'm here with Jordan, aka East Texas Angler Jordan. We're gonna try to get back in this creek, possibly find a bank spot, and do some catfishing, gar fishing. On the way, we're just kind of fishing and sandies and stuff, or bass. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. It'll be a pretty nice day so far. About 10 a.m. Probably 80, 85 degrees, somewhere in there. The high's supposed to get to, I think, to 93 today. There's absolutely no wind. So it's a little hot, but we're gonna try to get down there. Still got a while to go. Whoa, screw you, bee. Told you. Yeah. Jordan got a little sandy, guys.
There we go.
Dun, dun, dun. Success. We're still trying to get to that spot that we scoped out. We've been floating, paddling for what? Probably 30 minutes, somewhere in there.
We'll be there in like 10 minutes or so. It's right around this bend.
We're finally getting back here. It's kind of looking not what we were hoping for, but we're gonna explore some more and see if we can actually fish this spot off the bank. It's my foot.
Oh.
Can't tell if that's a cottonmouth.
It kind of looks like it.
But I think it is, possibly. Well, luckily I had the snake boots on and didn't get bit. That was scary. All right, guys, we're getting our little spot ready. I just had I think a cottonmouth run across my foot, so that's not fun. But finally got here. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. Been moving this thing, but we're gonna go ahead and get baited up and start fishing finally. Get the first rod out. I got a shad head on it. This is the Big Cat Fever rod, Pin Fierce 3 LL. Let's get it out there. Let's get to waiting. Hopefully we can get us a big blue and possibly a gar or something like that. Really never fished here, so I don't know. There potentially could be some flatheads up in here. It looks pretty nice. Got a little couple log jams and stuff like that, but I don't know too much about this body of water, so we're gonna find out. This is our little spot. I'm just playing. This is it over here. It's pretty cool out here, actually. We might actually come out here and maybe do a camping video or something. It's got a nice little spot away from people. There's a lot of frogs. Might grab one of these frogs for bait. All right, well, get back. All right, yep. It's running, about to hit it.
Here we go.
There we go, guys. Jordan's got him. Something on the line. I think it was a gar.
Yeah, it ripped it right out of his mouth. I was trying to get him before he went around that.
All right, guys. It's pull and drag. He's running. See if we can slow him down. There's something. He feels hard. Oh, it's my turtle, I'm sure.
Is it really?
Yeah. Oh, it popped. He got lucky. I was gonna cook that guy. Big soft shell turtle, guys. All right, yep. It's running, about to hit it.
Here we go.
There we go, guys. Jordan's got him. Something on the line. I think it was gar.
Yeah, it ripped it right out of his mouth. I was trying to get him before he went around that.
Hey guys, little spotted. It touched land, so it is caught.
There we go. Mr. Floppy here. It looks like I might have hooked him like you did the other day.
So we've been out here for say a little bit over an hour. Jordan's got one gar so far. I've lost a turtle. I've had a couple bites, but other than that, it's been pretty slow. It's around afternoonish, so the bites, you know, gonna be a little bit slow right now, but we're gonna try to tough this out, see if we can produce some fish. We possibly are thinking about a plan B right now. I don't know, maybe moving spots, maybe fishing off the yaks, but we will get fish today.
Man. Turtle man's got him a turtle.
Yeah. Turtle man's GoPro won't turn on. He ain't going nowhere. That little turtle just pulled some drag. All right. Come here, turtle. Coming with me, buddy. Oh. Can't even eat this guy. Dang, dude. Eating my bait. All right, guys, get this guy off. There you go. There's a fish. That's a cat. It's a drum. Bait. More bait, guys.
Well, with that shad we just got, Justin put a little 2-incher on there.
Live and
Live, yeah, and boom.
right
boom.
there is about 2 minutes, guys. There we go. Yeah, we might got a catfish, guys. This is on a little pound test. Pretty sure this is catfish.
Yeah, little channel cat.
A little blue.
Oh well, could be a blue.
That's the channel. That's the little channel.
He's over there.
Yippee!
Yeah.
That's the little channel, guys. Good stuff. At least we're starting to pick up on fish anyways. On the, oh my gosh. That's on a crappie jig and a baby shad. Alright guys, there's the little channel. Give me a high five. Hang on, man. Probably about, I don't know, maybe 18 inches or something. Probably less. Come back. Oh, front flip. Are you serial? Got us another catfish, guys. Had to set the hook real fast. Oh, another drum. Well, we got rod bending, dude. It's insane. All right, guys, we're gonna get this little ugly sucker back. By sucker, I don't mean he's actually a sucker fish, but there he goes. Yeah. Ah, look. The smallest sandy you ever seen in your life. Guys, what the heck? All right, let me get this guy off. Jeez. How small is that, guys? Is that a world record for smallest standy? Is that a stripe? Oh, water's in the water. It's all right. Let's go ahead and get him off. Ended up tying up to a wall. We're gonna try a little different technique. We're actually in the shaded area because it's really freaking hot out here. But we're gonna cast out into a deeper part of the river and see if this helps any. That's what we get. Ah, crappie! Little crappie, guys. First good fish of the day, I'd call it. He's probably about maybe a little 8-inch crappie. All right, well, let's get him back. My rod don't go in the water. Oh, he barely got hooked too. Little paper mouth. Oh, see, there he went. All right, let's get him back. He's going crazy. Nice little guy. Little white crappie. Guys, so we got another. Oh, we got another crappie. So we might be sitting on a little structure right here. This one's a little bit smaller. He's about, well, he's about 7 inches. Hey, man. But we got us another one. Alright, guys. Got something. Oh, there went my gun. Turtle man. Turtle man. Nope. Bro, how'd you even get hooked? Your hand again? Please pop off. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for that trip. Man, it was a really rough day. It really was. We caught, I don't even know how many turtles. I just didn't put it in there because at that point it wouldn't be a fishing video and it'd just be a turtle video. So, but you know, we stuck with it and we did what we could with what we had. And sometimes that's all you can do. I really appreciate you guys watching. I really do. You guys make the channel. So if you could just like, share, and subscribe to the video, and also comment. If you'd like to see me do something, comment it, you know. You guys are watching the content and I don't always know what you want. So tell me and it'll help me out and we'll grow this channel together. I appreciate you watching and I'll see you guys next time.